Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Upper Deck Artifacts box break number 2. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number NE1895483330. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. There we go, pack 1. We have base. We have a Treasured Swashes card for the Sabres of Thomas Vanek. Decoy and base. Pack 2. We have base. And we have a Team Canada card of Simone Dupree's 21/85. The card goes to Pittsburgh. Team Canada of Simone Dupree's. Decoy, base, and base. Pack 3. And base, and base. We have a beautiful hit for the Rangers. It's a dual patch card. Number 5/15 of Derek Stepan. Nice looking card. And base, and base. Pack 4. And base, base. We have a rookie for the Blue Jackets of Dalton Prout, 995/999. A decoy and base. Pack 5. And base. And we have an Autofax card for the Stars of Tom Wandell. Decoy, base, and base. Pack 6. We have base. And we have a Artifacts Thunder Tandems dual jersey for the Oilers of Magnus PRV and Linus Ullmark. Nice hit for Edmonton. Decoy and base. Pack 7. And base. And base. We have a Team Canada card of Drew Doughty for the Kings. It's number 7/10/999. Decoy and base. Pack 8. And base. And we have Emerald rookie for the Wild of Jason Zucker. Number 9/999. Or sorry, 9/99. Nice hit for the Wild. Decoy, base, and base. Pack 9. And base. We have a hit for the Canucks of Corey Schneider. Number 6/99/999. Short print base card. Decoy, base, and base. And the final pack. And base, and base. And we have an Artifacts Rookie Redemption card for the Devils. Decoy and base. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.